Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to create a room in Dude Theft Wars. If you want to create your very own room in Dude Theft Wars so that you can play multiplayer with friends, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Dude Theft Wars game on your device, whichever device you are using, and then go to the right hand corner of the screen and tap on multiplayer. Now go ahead and select your server by tapping on the top left corner in front of the back button here and select your server. After choosing a server for yourself, go ahead and click on the private match button at the bottom right corner. In order to create a room, select Create Room option. Select the game modes and then choose the map and click on Start at the bottom right, and you will be able to create a room for yourself. In order to share your room code, go to the top of the screen and tap on the room code and select a friend you want to invite to the game. You can choose various different social messaging applications to share from, or you can simply go ahead and share it with anyone that you want to invite to the room. After selecting a contact, you can then send in the code to them and they can join into your room. And in the lobby, you'll typically see joined players and maybe the team assignments. So that's how you will be able to create a room in Dude Theft Wars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.